Good morning, traders. It is Wednesday, June 22nd. Want to keep this very, very short. Market has been super weak. I did a video Monday evening. That was a holiday. I said, listen, we have a big, big drop in the market. I suspect that there is a bounce coming. I don't know when it's going to happen, but let's have a day trading long ready to go. I want to make sure that the market's able to open above this open right here, which is SPY 370. That's the first condition. It was met yesterday right on the open. Again, I didn't know when we were going to get that bounce, but we happened to get it yesterday. CRWD. I also had a caveat that on CRWD we wanted to be above 167, which was right about in here. You can see the stock opened. It was able to get above that prior day's high, which is kind of why I picked that level. And if you got long on that breakout, you had a really nice $3 to $4 breakout. Could have made money. No swing trading longs. The market is down. We have huge selling pressure. We're looking for a day trade. Do not overstay your welcome. These were all points that I made in my last video. Don't believe me? Please go back and verify. So we're only looking for day trades right now because we got the market up 60 S&P points one day, down 60 the next. Who knows what's going to happen overnight, but there are some great day trading opportunities. So now we've got the S&P futures down about 50 points. Let's take a look at the market. That bounce did not last very long. Here's what we'd like to have happen on the open. You can see we've had a lot of formations where we get a gap and go for about 90 minutes, then we compress. That's also been true on the downside, so we may get a similar formation today. Here's a classic example of a gap and go on the downside that runs its course in the first 90 minutes, and then we sit. Ideally, shorts are going to pile into this opening drop, and the buyers that were around yesterday are going to check to see how stiff that ask is. Can we rally this a little bit and force some of these early shorts out of the position? That would be our ideal market setup this morning. So we'd like to see a green candle, red candle, but moving higher. Lots of overlap, then tiny, tiny candles. That would suggest that this little bounce didn't get very far into the gap and that it's starting to roll over and the selling pressure is starting to build. If during that bounce we find a short that is trickling lower, tick, 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 lower, that's going to be our best play because as soon as the market starts to roll over and weaken a little bit with this stock already showing weakness, we know we are on the right short. So let's go find a short today. Going to keep this very, very simple. Going to go into my bearish searches and I'm going to look for Royal Flush Bear. These stocks across every time frame are bearish. There is a bearish trade signal. Put up the trade signal here. You can see got short right here. Look at that steady, steady selling pressure on massive volume. Massive volume. What did the market do? Rally, rally, rally mode. Look what the stock did. Down, down, down. That tells me that institutions are in there unloading Meta in a big way on one of the strongest market days that we've had this year. Here's what the stock did. It's going to continue to go down. Daily chart, big horizontal support line right in there. You can see, you can connect all those. It's a downward sloping, very gradually downward sloping trend line, but breach to the downside. Can't get off the deck yesterday. Heavy volume. I believe that it's going to continue to go lower. So META is your short of the day. I believe the next time that we look at this chart, it is going to be lower than 157. Make sure that you're patient on the open. Do not chase. Wait for your window of opportunity. With every passing week, I'm going to be telling you more and more about my new mobile app. I'm actually going to be officially launching it July 1st. So if you don't want to have the broker APIs that we offer for Pro, if you've got a foreign account, Real-time data is included in this. Super clean. If you work during the day, you can't be in front of your computer all the time. This mobile app is going to make life so easy for you. So let's go in and take a look at bearish searches. You'll notice right at the top, these are the market signals for the S&P 500 across all time frames. Daily, H2, H1, all bearish. These are your longer term time frames, hence they carry more weight. Yes, we did get some green signals yesterday on the bounce higher. These are going to start to flip back to bearish. So we know that we want to favor the bearish side. Click bearish searches. Let's scan down. Let's find that royal flush bear that we were just looking at over here. There are all your trade signals across all time frames. So Meta, let's click on that 5-minute chart. Again, these will be real-time charts. There's your sell signal. Look at that steady selling pressure. Very elegant design. Lots of focus placed on the chart itself. I wanted the chart to really take up as much as that screen as possible. That's the big knock on mobile apps. You can see how we've combined two indicators. This is volume. Volume greater than zero, the bars are going to be above the zero line. Less than zero means below average volume for that exact time frame. Here you can also see 10 SI, orange line below zero means that it is weak relative to the market. Blue ring around the dot means that the volume is greater than average. So look for a lot more on the mobile app. You can come into www.oneoption.com. You can try out the mobile app. You can also try out Option Stalker Pro. So again, the advantage with the mobile app is you don't have to download it. Works on iPhone, works on Android, tablets, laptops, everything. Real-time data is included. We only offer 2 exchanges, IEX and BATS. So it's pretty dang close to the consolidated tape. So come in, please check it out. Look for that launch July 1st. We'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.